just wanted to talk to you guys really quick about urban camping or stealth camping. So a lot of people think stealth camping is like you're doing something wrong or you're trying to hide. And look, it's Pepper! His name is actually Sergeant Pepper. Lily was all shivery, so Anthony was sweet enough to pick her up. This is the view of the Anthony house from his apartment. Well, good morning, everyone. It is so pretty over here in Jacksonville, and as you might be able to tell, I'm actually not at Cracker Barrel. I moved over here early this morning to my friend's place, Anthony's. He lives in an apartment over here in downtown Jacksonville. I'm gonna hang out with him probably for the day, and we're gonna go hit up a farmer's market. My nose doing a little bit better. I could tell it was a little bit swollen this morning, but I did a saltwater soak, sea salt water soak, and I think that's gonna really help it. But I like it. I keep looking over here in the screen. I think it looks good, actually. It's nice and tiny. Lily also is doing better. She seems to be moving around a lot more and feeling better. She's not licking that area as much as she was the last couple of days. It's only about a third of a mile away, the farmer's market, so we'll just walk over there. And she seems to be enjoying her walks lately. I'm also very excited for you guys to meet him. Here's the reason why. I met Anthony in a business group on Facebook quite a few years ago, way before he ever started to do the whole van life thing. Now, I know I just said he was in an apartment, and he is, but he does not have his van anymore. Well, technically he has it, he hasn't sold it yet. But he decided to come off the road, kind of like my friends Tracy and Cruz, if you saw that video. If you haven't seen Tracy and Cruz's video where they also came off the road, just click that link right above and you can watch their video. But I'm hoping to get an interview with him today or tomorrow, and that will be in a future video shortly after this one. I want to hear, and I want you guys to hear, why he decided to come off of the road and go back into stationary life. You know, some people it really works for and some people it doesn't, and I try to give you guys both spectrums so that's a little bit balanced. First, I'm going to do some work over here before he gets down here. It's only 10, we have an hour before we actually head out. So guys, this is Anthony right here.
Hi.
There's Lily, you know Lily. And look, it's Pepper! His name is actually Sergeant Pepper.
Sergeant
Hi,
Pepper.
Pepper.
Go say hi.
Come on, say hi, buddy. Hi. So it was kind of funny. I was actually pulled up over here working, and I heard Lily bark, of course, because she can hear everybody before me. And then all of a sudden we see Mr. Sergeant Pepper over here. They remembered each other. And apparently, I think you said he actually remembered the van.
We totally did.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the farmer's market now. Just a quick walk. What'd you say, about a third of a mile roughly? Yeah. And Lily's doing good. Anthony's holding the dogs for me so I can do some filming for you guys. Oh wow, look at this tree, guys. Beautiful. I still need to get that app that tells me what these trees are.
Good sign.
She's doing better.
She's doing great.
Another beautiful tree with lots of Spanish moss. Anthony's so nice. He's managing both of the dogs. Both of them keep stopping to sniff. I'm so glad he's a dog lover.
This is the Hummer Museum.
What kind of museum is that?
It's a general museum. They've got a lot of different stuff, different exhibitions. It's basically the best museum in this part of Florida.
But this is a huge farmer's market. Look at all this beautiful green vegetables and herbs. Lobster, wow, Maine lobster. Ice cream. Look at this cool little food truck. What is that? Guanabana. Guanabana? Think fruit. Very cool. All shivery, so Anthony was sweet enough to pick her up. Lily, how you doing, girl? You nice and warm now?
She's shivering less.
Yeah, she is. She does not like the wind. I'm gonna get the tandoori chicken mild.
The rat.
Yes. Sorry. Yes. Wrap.
I'm gonna have the gyro, the lamb and beef wrap.
Are you liking the sun, Lily? Does it feel good? Oh yeah. What do we got here? Tandoori chicken wrap. She loves the big dogs. Hi. You're a tail wagging. Anthony has always been the dog whisperer. What's your dog's name?
Pudge.
Pudge. It's Pudge's birthday. How old is he?
2. He turned 2 today.
Hi, Pudge. Happy birthday, buddy. Lily, you gonna say happy birthday to Pudge? Say happy birthday. Lily, did you find a new doggy bed? That's not your bed. It's not your bed. It's Sergeant Pepper's. It is so pretty outside, guys. Wowee. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the view that Anthony has from his apartment. It's so lovely. I mean, if you can't be in van life or RV life and you need to have a good view and when you're going back to your apartment, this can't get any better. It's nice. Well, I guess it could always get better, but at least it's beautiful. What we're gonna do is the interview tomorrow. He's taking a nap and I'm gonna go back in. I think I'm gonna take a nap too really quick. Come on, Lily, let's go. Get some work done and regroup in a little bit. Well, I'm still over here at my friend Anthony's place, and I thought I was going to go back to the Cracker Barrel and spend the night there. It's only about 9 miles away from here, but that's a little primo spot over here for some stealth urban camping, so I decided to stay there for the night. I talked to Anthony, and that spot is really for guests of that building, and that's the one that he lives in, so shouldn't be a problem for us staying there tonight. It's got the water view over there. It's beautiful. It seems pretty quiet over here too, even though it's, you know, kind of in an urban area. This is like right in the heart of Jacksonville. Downtown, I'm going to show that to you in a minute, is just right on the other side of the water. And I don't think I ever told you guys this, but I actually used to live in Jacksonville in my 20s. I moved there from Dallas for a little bit. I only lived there for 6 months though. I moved back to Dallas because I met my to-be husband. Kind of interesting that I'm back here. I have not been back since I was in my 20s and moved away. It's kind of weird to actually be back here. I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick about urban camping or stealth camping. So a lot of people think stealth camping is like, you know, you're doing something wrong or you're trying to hide. That's not really what it's about. It's about kind of being inconspicuous and not calling attention to yourself in an area where you're legally allowed to park. So we're not breaking any laws. You just want to be inconspicuous because you don't want people to go, oh wow, there's a van, and call the police on you because they see a van. People think that that's weird sometimes if they see a van out there and they just don't know that you're a friendly person and you're not there to harm them or anything. Don't throw your trash out. Don't put your awning out. Don't be setting up your barbecue pit outside and, you know, grilling or anything like that. That's really what it boils down to. So we are stealth urban camping. It's just a beautiful area. You can walk the neighborhoods, visit the parks. It's beautiful. I really like the space over here. You can probably hear a little bit of noise. There's a bar back there. It's not too far from here that people are at, but inside the van I can't hear anything. Alright, let's go check out the water. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful over here. I'd bring Lily out, but it's a little chilly and she doesn't like the wind. It's a little bit windy too off the water. There's the van. Hopefully you can see a little bit of the downtown area behind me. It is so pretty with all the lights on. It's kind of funny. I haven't been to a downtown apartment area since I lived in the Seattle area when I myself lived downtown. It can be a bit noisy, you know, when it's like that, but this isn't too bad here. He's actually on kind of a good side where it's not really like super noisy or anything. It's just right. You still have a little bit of the traffic that maybe you can hear, but it's not too bad. That was so amazing. I was outside taking pictures and video, and this couple came over and we started chatting. They were taking pictures too, so I asked them if they wanted me to take a picture of them. And it turns out they're from Seattle too. What a coincidence. The guy was actually from Jacksonville, so it was so fun to meet all these people along the way. So I got to hear a little bit of their story. It's one of the things that I love about this life is meeting the people that I do, and even if it's just for, you know, just a quick moment, being able to meet them and just connect with them. And I'm telling you, it's just so different than it was for me in a sticks and bricks life. Maybe that's not your experience, but that was my experience. So I really, really love it. You'll be able to meet Anthony in the next video coming up when we do his interview about why he decided to leave the RVing world or van life. He had a van. All my Key West videos right now are being released, and it's been amazing to see all of your comments and everything that you guys are excited about and the feeling that you get with me taking you there. And I know it's just so fun. Like even one of the videos, I like put the dressing up that I was putting on my salad. I put it up to the camera for you guys to smell. Didn't even realize I was doing that actually till I edited it, and I just went ahead and left it in. I thought it was kind of funny. I really do take you guys along with me, and I feel like when I'm talking to the camera, I feel like I'm talking to you guys. So I read your comments, I see them, and I so appreciate all of them. And that's part of my story too. You guys are part of the story. I hope you know that. You guys are such a blessing to me. I hope you guys are out there story chasing as well. Story chasing is all about creating the stories of your life. That's one of the things I think we're here to do, is create more stories in our life and to really live it up and live it to its fullest. I know I say that a lot, and maybe it sounds like a pipe dream to some of you. It depends on your situation, but I hope through listening to my videos and hearing the things that I'm talking about and seeing the things that I'm showing you, that you somehow will be inspired and motivated as well. That is my absolute goal for each and every one of you. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Good night.